There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you not doing well.
Hello. I'm happy because if you're watching this video, maybe you want to raise your hopes, you want to inspire yourself, you want to see what Faith is doing today, and because of the title of this video, I know I got you. It's about bags, guys. It's about bags. What we love most, what we go for shopping for, bags, shoes, clothes. That's my area. That's what I like dealing with. But also in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a small coffee area for your master bedroom. You don't have to go to the kitchen to grab coffee if you need it, maybe in the evening if you're catching up with your spouse, and probably maybe you're chilling out and you're having some work. You don't need to, maybe your kitchen is downstairs and you're upstairs. Maybe your kitchen is outside and you're within the house compound. It's always good to see if you can set up something small just to encourage yourself to take a cup of coffee, or tea. So guys, also on top of that, I know in our houses, in our rooms, in our bedrooms, with the kids, those who have kids, or with among us ourselves, uto tu vitu tenye ubo, you don't even know utazieka wapi na utazieka aje. Those small things, even hata ukiorganize nyumba aje, you always come across them. I'm going to be showing you what to do with those as well. Yeah, so it's going to be an amazing video. So if you're new here, these are the kind of videos that you've been missing. Yeah, don't miss them anymore. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell should be on, should show blackish. Yeah, so that at least you get notified every time we upload a new video. And if you've been here and just watching my videos and you've not subscribed, you have the biggest percentage. Subscribe, it helps more than you know. Yeah, just to support our channel so that we can be able to bring you bigger and better stuff. So guys, I'm going to be showing you that closet. You're not going to be seeing me because it's at a corner. I'm going to be showing you and you'll hear my voice. Okay, so I'll explain each and everything to you. Come.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you not doing well.
A top area over here, this one, yeah, that is just the small things that I was talking about. You see those things, hizo vitu si ni tudogo sana. So there I have beadwork for the kids when they want to do beadwork. The bottom container on the left doesn't have anything. It's just something waiting. And then the top two containers, white containers, one has the strings that they use for beadwork, and the other one has my hair products, the blower. And then the middle part, this one here, that is my container. That container I put threads. I'm going to be showing you. I put sewing. It's like a sewing kit for me. And then this one has some thermometers. And then these two have the shaving kits for the boys. And the one there, the small black one standing there, is a glue gun. So those things, I don't make them available easily. They have to ask for them. And then this small shelf here, it's very small, by the way. It's like 20 centimeters in length. It takes in batteries, it takes in some tools, and top there are screws. Yeah, you know those annoying things. That's how I organize these kind of things, like that. And bottom over here, I have this blue box. Is it blue or green? So this one takes in, you know those things your kids, it's like my treasure box. Your kids write you notes, I love you mom, they do birthday cards for you. That's where I throw them. So it's got a lot of sentimental value. And then here, down here, as you can see, this shelf is in half because I needed this part, because I have put this thing, it's like a dispenser that I put drinking water, so I don't have to go to this living room to pick drinking water. So this is where my drinking water is. It's not hot, it's just at room temperature, and it's okay. I like it that way. And then up here is like a small kettle, hot water kettle, that I boil water when I need coffee. There. So this is how I organize the bags. There's some sugar over there, there's some green tea, and back there there's some Milo. Over here, this is the Milo, and this is the green tea. Yeah. And then I have some 3-in-1 coffee and some black coffee. Yeah. And then I have these 2 cups over here, and this glass, I usually have some glasses here, so I use them and put them for washing once I'm done with them. So I usually have like a number of them over here. So this is my coffee area. It's small, but it's amazing, and it works. You know, guys, my slogan, it works. If it works, it works. There's functionality and there's need, you know, and there's pleasure also. You enjoy what you have. And then here, now this is the area that took in my bags. So I decluttered my bags. Guys, guess what? I had over 50 bags. 50, as in 50. I mean 50. That's a real girl, eh? But I had to be another real girl. I decluttered my bags to this. This is what I have. This small bag. These ones are actually like purses. And then this is a sling bag, and this one is a sling bag. This is a fanny pack. And then this these are what, clutch bags. And then some wallets over here and another clutch bag. Yes, this is what I downsized to. As in, I literally decluttered. I decluttered, and I just left what I love. Nice bags, but yet enough, just enough. Even until now, if I find I'm not using a bag for some time, inatoka, because you're just taking into my amazing space. I need to get something that I will use. And then on top here, just above it, this one takes in stationery for the kids. Extra stationery. This is where I put the pencils, pens, rubbers, erasers, sharpeners, rulers, colors. This is where I put extra stationery. So even them, they know if they have to say it though, so that we can give them another one. Then this bag here is my toiletry bag. So whenever I'm traveling, this is what I grab. And this is my everyday bag. So when I enter the bedroom, this is where I put my bag over here. I just put it there and pick it again the following day. I use one bag for a while before I can change. And these are just some little small books. And then bottom here are my big bags. So my big bags, I treasure them. They are nice and I've spent on them to get them. So this is where I put them, in this amazing container. So I put them there because I need to protect them from heat and from, you know, damage. And then I don't use them all the time. It's just once. And then there, as you can see, we have a little bit of space there. So those are toiletry bags for the kids whenever we want to travel. So this is just it. And yeah, it works. I love the space. I did glass doors because I wanted the place to be neat, and I see what is inside there. And yeah, it's like that. So if I did one door, I did 4 doors, because up and down for ease of access. Yes. piece I have shown you here, if you don't need it, it's very small. You just put what is within your needs. Like if you have many bags, you can remove the tea, you can remove what you don't need, you can remove the containers up there and just put something else. It doesn't have to work for you the way it worked for me, but you can make it functional. It's just a 60 centimeter wide closet by cabinet by, and the depth is about 30, let's say 30 centimeter, actually to 25 centimeters. So it's something very small, but takes in just enough and a lot, actually a lot. So guys, if you want to achieve something, just plan. If you plan, you are going to achieve what you want to do. And before putting up anything or adding something into your space, maybe you find like a space and you're like, sasa nitafanya nayo nini kadogo. You never know. It's never small until it's small. Take the dimensions and come up with something. I wish you knew what space I'm working with. It is so small, but if you enter this place, you will think I'm in a very big room. Yeah, it is so small, and it works. Don't wait until when you're going to put up a house for yourself, or maybe when you're going to reap millions, or maybe kulipua. That's when you're going to live a functional life. No, where you are, make it functional now. And if it's so hard for you, that's why we are here. We do it for you in a very systematic manner, and leave you in a very comfortable place. So guys, that's where I put my bags, and I've achieved with that closet, I have achieved so many other functionalities, and I love it. Let me know what I have left behind to tell you about this amazing place. And in short, you can just imagine, because if you've watched my dresser video of the master bedroom and you've watched the handbags video, then I think you have an idea of what kind of a room, or the size probably it is. Don't wait, make your life functional today. Yes, slowly you get there. It's taken me years to get here, not like I did it overnight. No, it's taken me years and years. So guys, until next time, share the video to those people you'd want them to learn or get inspired like you did, and I'll be happy, I'll be glad.